Hey guys, Jea Chan right here, your skincare junkie is back here in Minako Online Beauty official YouTube channel, your online reference for quality, authentic, and effective Asian beauty products. In the past two videos, I have shared and reviewed two products from Belo, which is the Belo Intense Whitening Toner and Belo Intense Whitening Face and Neck Cream. And today I'll be featuring another Belo Intense Whitening Bar Soap, also with Kojic acid plus tranexamic acid. Bring the Belo Intense Whitening Bar, which is a bar soap, also with Kojic acid and tranexamic acid. This one I have right here is the classic variant, which is for radiant white skin. It also says here that an intense whitening bar that effectively lightens dark spots, pimple marks, and pigmentation. Ideal for normal to oily or combination skin. It's clinically proven to whiten 64% better than products that use Kojic acid alone. Dermatologically tested and clinically proven. For best results, discontinue other whitening brands 1 week prior to use. This may not be compatible with Belo Intense Whitening Bar. Also, use twice daily for face and body. They may be slight stinging and itchiness as the actives work in exfoliating the skin. If prolonged irritation occurs, discontinue and use with Belo Intense Whitening Body Lotion and Face and Neck Cream, especially if you have a dry skin. Two main ingredients is the Kojic acid and tranexamic acid. And as I've explained and shared in the previous two videos, Kojic acid has that lightening properties when applied in the skin, and also tranexamic acid evens out skin tone when applied onto skin. Upon checking in the ingredients list in the box, I've discovered that it has coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, salicylic acid, and lactic acid. Coconut oil is a perfect moisturizing ingredient that keeps skin hydrated. Another one is the sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide helps stabilize and maintain a skincare product's pH. So this acts as stabilizer. And another two acids, which is the salicylic acid and the lactic acid. Salicylic acid is a alpha hydroxy acid and lactic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. These two acids are both exfoliator. The only difference is that salicylic acid exfoliates deeply, unclogs our pores, while lactic acid exfoliates the dermis level of our skin. It evens out rough skin texture and also it exfoliates dead skin cells. Now in the next few clips, I will show you my personal experience with the product, my skin condition prior to using the product, while using the product, my first impression review, and also my skin after a month of using the product. Refreshes my skin right after use. It has that instant bright effect. It's a little drying, so I need to apply body lotion with SPF right away. And during the first week, I experience a little stinging and itchiness. That's why I use it during the night in the first week instead of twice a day. And also, I have experienced micropeeling effect without redness.
There are weeks that I use it for my face as exfoliator, but I do not recommend this to use on a daily basis, especially on the face, because it tends to be drying. Maybe twice or thrice a week for exfoliation, but it's best as body soap.
And after 1 month and after consuming almost 2 bars of Belo Intensive Whitening Bar, it has been truly effective in lightening my arms and evens out skin tone on my elbows and on my feet. And I think it's very obvious from the previous clip that it has lightened my skin. And I just want to add, during the time that I've been using this Belo Intensive Whitening Bar, I really protect myself. I use protective clothing. Most of the time I use sleeves, I wear caps and umbrellas, but I use it very rarely on my face. I use it more every day on my body. Upon using this product, yes, I have experienced slight stinging and itchiness in the first week. So what I did, instead of using it twice a day, I use it in the nighttime when I go outdoors. But when I'm staying at home, I don't need to go out. When I don't have anything to do outdoors, that's the time I use it twice a day. And after using it, I always use a moisturizing lotion with SPF. Now that I've used 3 products from Belo Intensive Whitening line with Kojic acid and tranexamic acid, I can finally say and I can attest that not only Kojic acids can lighten our skin, plus it works more effectively and faster when it is used with tranexamic acid. But use it with caution because it may cause some stinging, irritation, and some sun sensitivity while you are using it without protective wear or protective skincare like body lotion or face cream with SPF. But I can say this is not for all skin types. Extra precaution for sensitive skin. And with this bar soap, yes, it is good for normal to oily or combination skin, but not for sensitive and dry skin. And also, this is very effective for those individuals that are acne-prone skin, especially if you are having back acne and back acne. This may help heal and improve your skin condition if you have acne in those body parts. For prices, where to buy, and another related review videos with this Belo Intensive Whitening Bar, I will link in the description box. Also, Minako Online Beauty Official website, link down below, so you can check all Asian beauty products. You can check all Asian beauty products that you are interested with and you want to try and purchase. And also Minako Online Beauty Official social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and also here YouTube. So if you guys are interested more of Minako Online Beauty Official Asian beauty products, Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel so you'll be notified whenever we upload another video. And yes, if you guys are intrigued and if you want to know more about my content, please do follow me on Instagram and TikTok at it's Jea Chan and Jea Chan here on YouTube. That's all for today's video. I'm more than happy to share beauty products to you guys. I think I've shared 10 products here in this channel, Asian beauty products that are not only affordable but effective. Don't forget your skincare routine and wear sunscreen every day. And see you on the next product review. Bye!